welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. In this video, I want to share with you how I make fried plantain with eggs, sardines, tomatoes, pepper. Let's get started. This is ripe plantain. I prefer using this plantain, but not the overripe one, because the overripe one will get soggy after frying. You can cut this in any shape you want, but I'll be using the traditional plantain shapes. I add vegetable oil to the already dry pan. I add in salt to the plantain. Then I mix it together like this. Gently I transfer in the plantain into the already heated oil. The oil has to be on medium heat, otherwise your plantain will cook faster and burn. I keep observing when these bubbles reduce, that means the underneath part is well cooked. I will have to turn it back to the other side. The bubbles is reduced, you can see it turning golden in color, so I turn it to the other side. You can use your fork, you can use your skewer to do this so that both sides will cook evenly. So the plantain is brown enough. I take it off and slide it into a ready serviette paper so that it will drain out some of the oil for me. I set the plantains aside to drain out oil. Next, I'll prepare the eggs with the sardine. So I have my pan on heat already. I just add in a little vegetable oil, just a little. Add in chopped onions. I stir it in for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, I add in chopped tomatoes and pepper. I stir it in again. I stir this in for another 2 minutes. It's sizzling in very well. You can subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. You're not going to be charged for it. Please share and like this video. The like button makes YouTube promote this video. Click on that like button to support the work that I'm doing. Thank you very much. Next, I whisk in my egg. Pour it in. I stir this in to accommodate the eggs. I leave it to cook for 3 minutes. The egg is well cooked now. I'll add in a little salt, little curry powder, and I stir it in. Added my sardines. If you remember, I added in little vegetable oil from the beginning because the sardine has oil. So I don't want too much oil for this recipe. So I stir it in. Now cover it to cook for 2 minutes. This is 3 minutes later. Wow. I give it the final stir. And this is ready for eating now. I'll take it off from the heat. This tastes and looks so nice. You can do this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it came out for you. You can have this for breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner. My plantain, eggs, sardines, tomatoes are ready. This is a very nice option for your breakfast. Please subscribe to my channel to support the work that I'm doing. Please like this video so that YouTube will know that the content I'm creating are nice. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.